Hey guys, I have a really fun video for you today. I have gotten together with 4 other YouTubers that share Instant Pot recipes and content, and we all came together to put on a Instant Pot virtual holiday potluck, or possibly you could call it an instant potluck. We each were randomly assigned a course of the meal, and then we each made a recipe video for that course, and we are going to share all of those recipes together in a playlist that will be an Instant Pot virtual holiday potluck playlist. So if you're just watching this video through my channel, I highly encourage you to click through at the end. I will have the playlist pop up at the very end so you can go and find it there. I'll also put it up in the cards as well as down in the description below, so you should have no trouble finding the playlist. I highly encourage you to go and check out all the ladies that are taking part in this collaboration. Wonderful videos, wonderful content. I'm sure you will love them. So now down to business. The course that I was assigned was the appetizer course. So today we are going to be making a bacon artichoke queso dip, and it is delicious served with bread like a sliced up baguette or with tortilla chips, or if you want to keep it a little more low carb, you could serve it along with a veggie tray. Today I'm going to be making the dip in my 6-quart Duo Instant Pot, but it can be made in any size Instant Pot, including the 3-quart Mini, which is actually a great choice when you're making appetizers because you can use your little mini Instant Pot for the appetizer and it frees up your larger Instant Pots for other bigger courses of the meal. And now it is time to get cooking. For this recipe, the ingredients are 6 slices of bacon, which is about 6 ounces, 1/2 cup of diced onion, 1.5 cups of broth. You can use vegetable broth or chicken broth, whatever broth you have on hand will probably work. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder or granulated garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cup of canned artichoke hearts that are drained and then chopped, 1/2 cup of half and half, 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 4 ounces of full-fat cream cheese, and then for a thickener you can either use arrowroot powder or cornstarch, and we're going to do 2 tablespoons of that. First off, chop your bacon into small pieces. This is easiest done if the bacon is very cold. Also go ahead and chop your onion and your artichoke hearts. Turn your Instant Pot on the saute mode and make sure that the heat is adjusted to the more or high level. When the pot is hot, add in your bacon and go ahead and saute and stir that until the bacon is brown and crispy. Once the bacon is as crispy as you like it, go ahead and use a slotted spoon to remove it from the Instant Pot and just set it aside on a paper towel lined plate or bowl. And then you're going to want to discard all but about 1 tablespoon of the bacon fat that's left in the bottom of the inner pot. Make sure to save that bacon fat because it is delicious for roasting potatoes or vegetables with. The Instant Pot is still on saute mode, so go ahead and throw in your chopped up onions and saute those for about 3 minutes until they start to become translucent. After about 3 minutes, you can add in your spices, throw in the garlic powder, the black pepper, and salt, and stir fry for another few seconds to a minute. Now add in the broth and be sure to use your spoon to scrape the bottom of the pan to loosen any of those stuck on bits. The browned bits at the bottom are going to make excellent flavor for the queso, so make sure you get all of that into your mix. Now add in the chopped artichoke hearts and give it a quick stir. Lock the Instant Pot lid, make sure the pressure valve is set to the sealing position, press cancel to turn off the saute mode, and then cook time is 4 minutes at high pressure. While the Instant Pot is cooking, you can get all of your cheeses ready to go and measured out. Also, you can mix your 1/2 cup of half and half with the 2 tablespoons of starch. You're just going to whisk that up until there's no lumps left, and that will be all ready to add in as soon as the Instant Pot is done cooking. When the cook time is finished, you can go ahead and do a quick release, although it doesn't hurt to leave it on keep warm for a while, so if you're busy with other things, you can leave it and get to it when you're ready. Once you've opened the lid, go ahead and press cancel and then turn it on the saute mode again. We want the cheese to melt and the starch to thicken the mixture, so we need a little bit of heat Go ahead and dump in all of the cheeses and add in the half and half in starch mixture, and then you're just going to stir until all the cheeses are melted and smooth and the dip comes up barely to a simmer. You don't want to boil it heavily at this point because it has all the dairy in there. You just want to bring it up to a simmer so that the starch gets activated and it becomes thick. Once it's been brought up to a simmer, go ahead and press cancel to turn off that saute mode so it doesn't start boiling heavily, and then add in half of the bacon crumbles that you have reserved. Mix those in, and the additional bacon crumbles will be used for garnish. Transfer the dip to a serving bowl, garnish with the remaining bacon crumbles and some fresh parsley if you want a little bit of color, and this dip is ready to serve. So that is the recipe. Let me know if you try it, and definitely click through to get to the playlist if you're not already there, and watch all of the videos in the Instant Potluck. I know you're gonna love all the different ideas. And now, since you guys are all invited to our virtual Instant Potluck, it's your turn to comment down below and let us know what you're gonna be bringing. Feel free to share a recipe link, or an idea, or just something that you've made for a potluck before in the Instant Pot that you enjoyed. We would love to hear it and get a nice recipe collection going down in the comment section. Hope you guys are all doing really great, and I will see you in the next video.